Walking after 50 can literally extend your life, but only if you're doing it right. Most people think just walk is enough. Wrong. These 7 mistakes are silently reducing your results. Let's fix them. Mistake 1. Starting too fast. You step outside and immediately walk fast. That's a mistake. Your body isn't ready. Muscles are stiff, joints are cold, heart rate spikes too fast. Over time, higher risk of pain and fatigue. Fix it. Start slow for 3 to 5 minutes. Let your body warm up. Then increase speed gradually. Simple rule. Warm up first, perform later. Mistake 2. Poor posture. Look around. Most people walk like this, head down, shoulders forward. That posture is destroying your body. It strains your neck, reduces oxygen, and drains energy. Fix it. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed, head straight, eyes forward. Think string pulling me up. Better posture equals better breathing equals better results. Mistake 3. Wrong shoes. Old shoes equals hidden damage. Worn-out shoes lose support. That pressure goes straight to your knees, hips, and back. Fix it. Use proper walking shoes, cushioning, arch support, flexible sole. If your shoes are old, you're not exercising, you're slowly injuring yourself. Mistake 4. Walking too little. 1 long walk per week? Useless. Your body doesn't care about intensity, it cares about consistency. Fix it. 20 to 30 minutes most days. That's it. Consistency beats occasional effort every time. Mistake 5. Not using arms. Walking with dead arms equals inefficient movement. Your arms help balance, rhythm, and calorie burn. Fix it. Slight bend in elbows. Let your arms swing naturally. No exaggeration, just natural movement. More muscles involved equals better circulation and more benefit. Mistake 6. Using phone while walking. Scrolling while walking? Bad idea. You ruin posture and lose awareness. That's how people trip, fall, or strain their neck. Fix it. Keep your phone away. Walk with awareness. Look around. Focus on movement. Walking is not scrolling time. Mistake 7. Ignoring recovery. This is the one most people ignore. Walking is easy. I don't need recovery. Wrong. Without hydration, stretching, and rest, you limit results. Fix it. Drink water, light stretch after walking, take rest days when needed. Recovery is part of progress, not optional. My final advice is, walking is powerful, but only if done right. Fix these 7 mistakes and you'll get real results. Now tell me, how long do you walk daily? 10 minutes, 20, or more? Subscribe now for daily health videos.